Yes, I couldn't promise. There's cherries and blueberries there, and I have. So those are just the radical leaves.
Oh,
Can I give them away?
I know you can cook with some.
Yeah. You can use them like. Have you ever had any kind of greens that are cooked, like quick spinach? Or,
No, I don't. I only eat.
The next show is in August. It's a party basically, open house, and the yard work stays about a month and a half on the wall. It's not guaranteed that she does some stuff, but it's always some of the other stuff. When do you go to Maine? Well, I don't have a friend that does that, but